Hi friends, this is once again Prasanna Kumar. I'm gonna read a poem written by Rajesh Kannan sir. He is from Tanjore, Tamil Nadu. So this is a poem. It's very much in rhythm and it's like a perfect rhyming. I'm gonna read this poem for you. And before that, I would request you all to kindly press the bell icon, press the thumbs up button, give your valuable comments and all. So here it goes. My Rain by Rajesh Kannan. Rain, rain, come around, let us play in the ground. Loud thunder is your friend, lightning never comes to end. Your drizzle is like the dew falls down, like the new brimming drops so white, oozing out as a silvery light. To me, this is a great chance. Together we can happily dance. Dashing clouds play nice music. The world can see your wonderful magic. Please shed your tears once in the earth. Like balls, they'll bounce. Can make a running river and flows brightly as silver. Pour down as the honey my expectations so many. My loved ones come around, let us play in the ground. Wow, such a beautiful poem indeed. Thank you for watching.